And that is a 29-ounce can of peaches, or you could use two 15-ounce cans. Now we're gonna take a box of vanilla cake mix, and you're just gonna dump it right on top. Now you could use yellow cake mix if you want. I chose vanilla because I think it's gonna be the perfect flavor. Use your fingers to just flatten that out on the top there.
Wow.
There you go. This is the easiest cobbler you'll ever make. 3 ingredients: peaches, cake mix, and now we're just gonna cover this cake mix with the butter. There you go. This is 1 whole stick of butter. And really, how much butter you use is really just dependent on how much area you have to cover. You want to get every single piece of that dry cake mix covered with butter. And look at that, that turned out perfect. And we've got our 3 ingredients: butter, cake mix, and peaches. Now we're gonna add some cinnamon sugar. Just gonna sprinkle that over the top. This is just extra, just in case. And now I've actually got some brown sugar as well. And that is gonna make this nice and sweet. But what if you're watching your calories? Maybe you need less sugar, or you're on a diet. You can make some easy swaps for this. In fact, they make these no sugar added peaches. That's an option that you could use. Use 2 cans of the 15-ounce. They also have a keto and gluten-free yellow cake mix. This would work too. So if you're gluten-free, try that. And this will make it a little bit of a lighter dessert for you. But now we're gonna set it on high for 2 hours, and you put the lid on it and wait, and your house is gonna smell divine, and you've got the easiest dessert you've ever made. You smell that?
It smells good.
Oh, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. This 3-ingredient cobbler is ready. It looks delicious, but we're missing one more thing. I like a la mode.
Yes.
We gotta have some ice cream with this.
That's in the freezer.
There's some vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream in the freezer. All right, let me grab that. Here it is.
Oh, I can't wait to dig in. Perfect. I actually picked the sugar-free kind to make this a little bit healthier. So we got our ice cream, we got our cobbler, we got our bowl. All right, let's dig in.
All right, wait. I actually don't like eating mine with a spoon. I'd rather have a fork.
You eat your ice cream with a fork?
It is weird, I know. Let me, hold on. I can fix this. I can hold this just like that.
All right.
Watch this. This is going to be so cool. Watch. I just going to grab it like this. And yeah, hold on to it. Hold on to the fork.
I'm holding it.
I'm just going to pull it like this. And I'm going to turn that into a fork like that.
Well, okay, there's your fork.
All right, there you go.
All right, let's dig in.
Yes, here we go.
Check this out, guys. Look at how good this looks.
Whoa.
So you've got a beautiful cobbler topping from that cake mix. Look at that. This is gonna be so good. And we've got our peaches. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. Big old, hold that.
All right.
Big old scoop of vanilla ice cream. Boom. Does not get any better than this.
All
and
right.
There's your fork, since you can't eat ice cream with a spoon,
I know,
apparently.
it's a weird thing.
He's not kidding. He actually really does eat his desserts with a fork. All right, moment of truth. Oh my gosh. This is so easy. You just throw everything in the crock pot. You forget about it. You have to try this. This is so good. Here's your fork.
Thank you.